Hey guys, no cooking today. Just wanted to give you a health update. I have to have a heart valve replaced on Thursday. So I've had several tests done the last couple of weeks. I actually had a heart valve replaced in 2012, mitral valve. Actually, I've had endocarditis twice. First time was in like 2000, I think. And then the second time it came back again in 2012, and that time it's like a bacteria that gets in your system and it ate up my heart valve. So I was in the hospital like 3 weeks that time, had to be on a lot of antibiotics, and it was really rough. I actually thought I was going to die. I felt awful. It took me like a year to recover from that. So anyway, they told me at that time they used a pig valve because that way I wouldn't have to be on blood thinners, because I have a lot of back problems, and I've had another back surgery since then in the meantime, and they didn't want me on blood thinners like if they use a mechanical valve. So they said the problem with that is you may outlive your heart valve. So we're to that point where my heart valve's kind of starting to fall apart. So they're like, you got to get that done or you're just going to die from heart failure if you just let it keep going. So the good news now is they don't have to open up my chest this time like they did last time. They have a way of going in through a vein in your leg, and they just run the heart valve up through there somehow, and they just, I don't know, drop it in there somehow. I'm not quite sure, but they said it only takes about half an hour to do the procedure, and then I just have to stay in the hospital overnight, and should be home the next day. And they said the recovery time is about a week. You just got to take it easy for about a week. So it doesn't really sound that bad. I was really dreading it because I was expecting having to get opened up and having my chest opened up like last time, and I was really dreading it. And so when they told me that, I'm like, well, it's not too bad at all. That's not really much worse than some of the tests I had the last several weeks where they just run cameras through your veins and all that kind of stuff. It doesn't really sound that bad. So the surgery is going to be in San Francisco, which is about half an hour from here, and my girlfriend got the day off. She's going to take me. I think I mentioned her in one of my last videos that we've been seeing each other, I guess, not that long, 4 or 5 months, I guess. So kind of hated to ask her to have to, do all that and go through all that with me. But she's a good girl, so she's okay with it. She's going to help me out with that. So she came along at just the right time, I guess. So otherwise had nobody around to help me out, so that should be good. So anyway, I don't know how long till I'll be back cooking. Just kind of have to wait and see how everything goes, but wanted to kind of give you guys an update so you'll know what happened to me. So anyway, hope you guys are doing good, and I'll see you guys on the other side of all this.